Yes, sir. Matt, quick question. I'm on one of your questions. What research have you done on us? One thing that came up, me versus us, or in general, communications. Like, we're looking forward to seeing you versus I'm looking forward to seeing you come in. Um, should you say that use the, I guess the plural sense of it as opposed to
It's
in
50-50.
general?
Yeah, like if you were a
Okay.
real estate professional,
Okay.
even if you're with EXP or whatever, Sotheby's, I don't know who the best is, right? You might say, if you're a real estate professional, what research have you done on me? Okay. Chris, as a consultant, might say, what research have you done on me? Now, on the other hand, Chris might say us because he wants the firm to seem as big as possible. I'm not going to
Right.
say he's trying to be deceptive and make it seem huge when it's not huge. Let's just say big as possible. He's painting it in the best light. For you, Derek, and for Strike Zone and for your martial arts academies, I would say us. And here's why I would say us. A big part of your members, them signing up, is they want to join a community, right? And that's why I would say us. The other reason I would say us is, Derek, you are super successful. You are crushing it, my brother. You have a great family. You deserve to also have a personal life. And the more that you say me, the more that you are going to still get members, but they're going to constantly, every time they have a problem, call you, right? Because they bought you. So you need to uncouple yourself and say, what research have you done on us? Right? And they're going to say, I don't know, saw you guys on Google, right? One of my kids, my kids are in soccer and two of the other kids are in, kickboxing here or in Muay Thai here, right? Don't go into, now here's where you're going to be tempted. You're going to be tempted to be like, oh, who are those kids? And now, by the way, now you're just going down the wrong road. Awesome. We have a ton of our kids program students that cross-train in other sports. Let me walk you through how it works here. It's very, very simple. It's a monthly membership for the kids, and now it allows you to get right into the details of a pitch without being like, hey, let me tell you, because you're just responding to their answer, if that makes sense. So if it was you, I'd go with us. If I was Chris Shooter and a consultant, I'd go 50-50. It just depends. If I was a real estate professional, I'd say me because I'm selling myself first. So Chris could go either way. You, it should be us. Stacy Black with his big logistics, I'd probably do us. If I was an attorney, I'd probably do me. You can kind of feel the difference there. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm going to cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.